Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Medikit First Aid Kit, Forestry and Chainsaw Kit. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Medikit Forestry and Chainsaw First Aid Kit is suitable for forestry workers, tree surgeons and arborists, and has a comprehensive content to cover a small team of workers. This kit has more dressings, gloves and eye wash available than a standard first aid kit. HSE Workplace First Aid Guidelines apply to any workplace, both indoors and out. Employers should provide comprehensive first aid cover for forestry workers such as arborists and tree surgeons in all situations, and should be available to employees at all times. The contents include the following. It has an HSE Guidelines leaflet, sterile number 16 eye dressing, sterile 12 by 12 cm medium dressing, sterile 18 by 18 cm large dressing, a number 3 sterile X large dressing 23 cm by 23 cm. It also has a pack of 20 of wash-proof plasters, a non-woven triangular bandage, and a trial disposable glove pair, a pack of 6 of assorted safety pins, and a sterile moist cleaning wipe. It also comes with an eye wash solution 20ml singles and a eye wash solution of 500ml. It also has a conforming bandage of 7.5 cm by 4 meters and has a Sterlite ambulance dressing number 4 33 by 20 cm. It also contains a trauma fix dressing 15 by 18 cm, emergency foil blanket 2.1 meters by 1.3 meters, a heavy duty first aid snips, tweezers that are 12 cm plastic, and it also has a resuscicide. Medikits supply a comprehensive range of first aid and occupational health and safety products, enabling employers to meet the health and safety regulations of 1981 and 1997 revised approved code of practice. Their product range is expanding fast and includes an extended range of first aid for sport, forestry, first aid and comprehensive range of evacuation and rescue products. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.